Warning, flashing lights and loud sounds. Hello everyone, and welcome to Universe Sandbox 2. Now, apparently there was an update to this game where they made supernovas look better, and now stars will leave behind stellar remnants. There is probably some other stuff, but yeah. So, we're going to take a look at that by trying to find a system that would allow for something like this to be able to be shown off in full display. You know what? Actually, we can do this a much simpler way. So here we have the sun. Now we're gonna have to be fast about this. Don't know I'm multiplying it by its mass by 10, just halved its mass, but alright, so right now it's at 50 times the mass of its normal mass, and it will explode. So, wow, yeah, those supernovas look a whole heck of a lot better, that's for sure. Oh my goodness. These things are gorgeous. They used to just be really not great. Now stars will leave behind stellar remnants. And in this case, since the sun was at 50 solar masses when we blew it up, it turned into a black hole. I believe this update, I don't know if it added neutron stars to the game, but it definitely made them easier to obtain at least. Also, what the heck is going on with R136A1? It is 260 times the mass of the sun at 32.1 times the radius. Stevenson 218, which is, to be clear, an actual star, is at 10 astronomical units, or 2,000 solar radii. What the heck is going on with star densities? You know what? I'm not gonna ask questions. So, somehow a lot of I think that's Stevenson 218 got absorbed, but anyway. So yeah. That's what it looks like with a extremely large star blowing up. So, we're gonna use this system. And since Betelgeuse is only 11 times the mass of the sun, it should form a neutron star after it gets popped. And once again, I just want y'all to appreciate these supernova animations. I believe, Giant Army, the developers of this game, absolutely phenomenal job with this. So, they made actual proper neutron stars. I don't know why it has a very planet-like. Well, never mind. These are just what's left behind after, experiencing the entirety of its lifespan in 2 seconds. It's not typically a good sign when a star is cooling off on the surface. Also, I find it really funny that absolute and apparent magnitudes are negative numbers for higher. It's just weird. I don't know, but yeah. So they added actual neutron stars to the game, I think, which is nice because since they are considered stars, you can see the habitable zone of them. It's outside the orbit of Pluto by several fold for this one, but yeah. So, first impressions of this update. The devs were absolutely cooking with this one. This is awesome. I mean, better supernova designs. So even when you're terraforming a system and end up misplacing a zero, it looks awesome now. I don't know if this is when they officially added neutron stars, but this is the first time I've seen proper neutron stars. Even in my making a habitable neutron star video, that was actually technically a white dwarf, I believe. Oh wait, the supernovas even have color changing now as they get further away. This honestly kind of slaps. So, yeah. First impressions of this update, really good, but now I just have to give something a little bit of a try. So, since I can see the habitable zone of this, does this make my job a whole lot easier? Oh, wait, what? Let's put a few plants in. Now, would being able to actually, use this feature make the video on habitable neutron star planet easier? What did I just do? Weird. I don't feel like messing around with that. I think because I sent it... Oh wait, they actually made it so it sent it several thousand years into the future. I think they might have, better optimized fast speeds in this game, because in the past that would not have worked. So, anyway, that's awesome. In general, just epic update. Really, just an amazing update in general, but yeah. I'm gonna make this video kind of a shorter one, so thanks for watching, and bye-bye.